Uh, this is Kalzong again. See how I put my this is my rod, and the Shimano is wheel, and you can just see, like, I think we have already hooked a trout. It's a brown trout, mainly out here. Some guys are playing there. We keep some distance while playing. And regarding playing with worms, we need to drag. Dragging is the most important thing. It's not like heavy river. It is no spinner because it is a worm, and it gives a good result too. It's in Pungi, 4 kilometers away from 4 kilometers before Hot Spring, Lachung, towards Yumthang. You can see that valley. Yeah, this is a very fabulous place. But since out here the people have diverted the river, so a little impact is being shown. Not much fish these days, today. Maybe because they have already diverted the river. It used to flow from there also, and it used to come from here. But since they have diverted the river, the local people out here, I don't know for what reason. Actually, forest shouldn't apply this. But I was heard, like, in regards to cleaning of the river, the debris, the plastic materials and all. For that thing they did, but I don't think so. That is the reason. You can see the sand, pure sand out there, which is used for construction. So anyways, it's all right. The fish, the water is very suitable for the trout to survive out here. This is actually it spawns a lot out here. It's very good for spawning. From the month of October it gets started. I've already hooked one fish. I'll show it to you later. I've already kept it inside my bag. I'll show you. You can see it. It's just like not that big one. It's not that big, but anyways, but moderate size. This it's okay for takeaway. Smaller than this, we release it. We try our best to release it. Now, okay, so hold on. Let's do some dragging, and let's see if I'll drag slowly, and let's see if the trout gets caught or not. It gets hooked up or not. But like most of the time while dragging, the fish is caught. It's a brown trout. So I'll just have to pause it out here because I don't have a GoPro or something like that. I'm recording from my phone. That's Samsung Galaxy Note 3 SM N9005. Okay, now I'll give a pause. Now you can see my bait. It took a bite right now while dragging. So again, I'll put a new bait, this worm, and try again. See, the bait has to be like this. You can see it. Yeah. Then when it wiggles, then the fish gets attracted to it and then takes a bite. And we shouldn't raise the rod while the tip vibrates. We should let it be for a while, then it'll take a full bite, and at that sort of time we have to rotate the wheel so it gets hooked up very nicely. Okay, so let me cast. Now I have to pause it.